Good morning, everyone. Today, December 8, 2022. So, Thursday, we got some news. And especially the market kind of mixed match today. So, from Omaha, Nebraska, 7 a.m. Central Time, we see the US dollars up, energy is up, financials down, NE is higher in trading, and gold is down. 1,794. That's much higher than compared with last week. So all the information today is show the market kind of mix match a little bit, but it's go up and down, swing around. That's what that means. So now we're gonna see on the sector Dow Jones like at up 110 points, Nasdaq as of like 60 points, and S&P 500 at of like 18 points. So we can see all the food price is going to be up. It's coffee, sugar, soybean, wheat, and corn, even though silver's up, and gas and oil is up. So like what I say, if we don't produce, we don't make oil, and we have to buy from somewhere else, it's going to be much higher. And other sectors, it's going to be in the index in the US, so MSCA, and all the sector in Canada and Asia is kind of moving around a little bit for today by the overview. We can see just like a symbol like Canada, just a little mixed match today, like 3 red, 1 greens. So in Asia, it's just Hong Kong as of like 3%, is more than 600. And Shanghai, Nikkei, and Shenzhen is lower pretty well. Low, really low. And Europe, just ATX, getting up like 5 points. And CAC 40 and DX and FTSE is much lower, and especially this one is 48, like 49% PHVS, and negative 36% with our LMD. So by the way, we can see all the big one like VX, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Baba, Tesla, NVDA, AMD, so Sharp, SPY, TQQ, and Berkshire can actually include Bitcoin too. Like all of them kind of mix around. It's none of them like stable. And we got the ETFs family. ETFs, we can see like what I said yesterday is going to be 390 very soon. If you got some yesterday, today can get 395 and sell it out. And that's correct with QQQ. The one I was talking about, that's SPY, and now it's QQQ. So it's already there down to 280. Like what I say, you can get a more to 79, 78, 77, 75. So Russo, and but the best one for today is much cheaper EEM. Yep, but ETF families, the top ones still QQQ and SPY. They are really stable ETFs with the whole country. They hold a lot of volume like every day. But like what they say, ETFs, you have to hold like at least a week to kind of sell them out. So especially with the option, a lot of people do it call today because today kind of getting a little bit, and they will go down. So And best one for today is so going to be Apple for the car at 140 at December 23rd. Yeah, do that way. Because like December 9 is so close. And not too close. So we can get like the snap is good too. So February 17, 0.15. That's a good price. You can do the put one. Like of course it's going to be swing down few time like before February. Like right now for $5 for put in snap is much like pretty good deal, because like that stock with like usually like 10 or more than $10. It's what like 20 some, which last year with Republican president, and right now those donkey took over. Donkey actually, do the cheating skill, and for right now like every of them kind of mess up the whole economy, oil market, food price, interest, like finance, like house, all the finance support from the nation bank. And now we get the best. So this one we can focus on, and VAX is over 400% gain. 400% gain, and EF, RM. So those are the top one, like all of them like over 400%. So you need to watch this one, because though is like they have to be there, because in let's say in 1 year, and that's how much they gain, like that's like more stable. And of course the company make enough like revenue and profit for their own. And of course if we buy a stock, or we are a shareholder, or we just the stock trader, of course we still make profit. Those analyze pretty straight up number when you need to buy, which one you need to focus. I recommend everyone should screenshot this page and get a 10 when you look at V1, V2, and the cap. And especially like if someone knows, like you have to look, you have to learn like how to find out F1. What's the F1? F1 is foundation. Like every of them have a foundation, and a lot of calculation you can use. It's pretty accurate. So first one this morning we got like Tesla. So we can get my sum. Now we can do like two ways. You can call them high a little bit, and put them back. That's what we always do for two ways, up and down, like. Yeah, and we can tell that Tesla cap is dropped really low, 549. Last week, like last couple weeks, was like over 600. But right now just 449, and in the future, Tesla will drop more. That's why we have to do more put option. This put option is more safe, but put them in January, February. You just buy 1 or 2 or 5 or 10, less than that, so don't have to get any that much or more. So the second side for today, we can get like NIO 12.9. Neo is like S was really popular EV car, and let's see, the cap is 22.17. That's mean that drop, the cap drop too. It's for 23, 24, and right now just 22. That's mean the cap drop, and of course, when the gold calculation cap drop is the V1 going to be drop. That's mean just buy them cheaper. Do some put in the option. Thank you very much. Have a good day and see you guys tomorrow.